Hey, it's Dave from Some Days Today, and I just wanted to cover X Chocks. I've got some birds out here this morning. X Chocks and how great they are for your tandem axle trailer, both for stabilization and for security. And I'll demonstrate to you, how easy it is to actually install these and what they look like when they're completely set up, and that I use a padlock on them for additional security of the trailer. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and install the X-Chock. You notice that we've got the wrench that's supposed to be used to install the X-Chock. And I'm going to put that in place in between the tires and then begin to ratchet it so that those 4 feet are going to impact the tires where I want them. And we'll set it up so it'll stabilize, lock in the tires into position, present itself as both a security vise and to reduce the amount of sway in the trailer as people are walking up and down, and then I'll install the padlock. And here's the completed setup once I've reinstalled the X-Chocks and locked them with the padlock. So I highly recommend the X-Chocks. They really do what they say they do, and they add that extra level of security for your trailer when you've got it parked and you decide to go out and about and hit the trails and things like that. Just another level of assurance that someone can't take your trailer, and that certainly provides a level of security for me. So those run about $85. You can find a lot of different sources. I put a link below so you can see a better description of the devices, and I highly recommend them. So take care, and we'll see you down the road.